This is BERGEON reference 30211, extendable and reversible movement holder. It's a large movement holder designed for pocket watches up to 62mm in diameter, but it will tighten down on external diameters to around 25mm, so it's suitable for larger wristwatch movements as well. We have both wristwatch movements and pocket watch movements here, so we'll test it out for size. First of all, we'll test it out with an ETA 2824-2, which is a 25.6mm diameter automatic movement. I'm not going to remove the movements from their plastic cases. I just want to get a sense of what size diameter movements the movement holder is capable of clamping. As you can see, 25.6mm is no problem. You can probably hold movements slightly smaller. This is ETA or Unitas 6498, which is a 36.6mm diameter movement. It started out life as a pocket watch movement. It's currently used in large wristwatches. And as you can see, the holder is going to have no problem clamping this diameter movement. The jaws are a nice depth. We'll just show you them compared to an actual Fusey pocket watch movement, which can be considerably thicker than modern ETAs. We'll just show you a comparison with this movement holder with the two other sizes of movement holder BERGEON do of a similar style, the 4040 and the 4039. The 4040s are designed for movements between 30 and 48mm, but mainly used for gents wristwatch calibers, and the 4039s are designed for movements with an external diameter of 12 to 30, but generally used for ladies wristwatch calibers. The 4039 we have here is synthetic, but both the 4040 and the 4039 are available in either metal or synthetic. If you want to see more of our latest videos, don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't already, the subscribe button.